Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a beginner finger workout you can use that's really going to help you out. So let's dive in right now. So today what I'm using to do this finger workout is the A minor pentatonic box shape, which looks like this. So it's just 2 notes per string, and you can use this with any 2 note per string pentatonic scale that you know. So any of the 5 pentatonic shapes. This is actually going to be really simple because what we're going to do is we're going to play through the scale using different pairs of fingers and only using 2 fingers. So the first one, the easiest one to start with, is using your first finger and your pinky together. So that is going to look something like this. Then what we're gonna do is you run through it using your first finger and your third finger, so different pair of fingers. Now it gets a little bit harder because now you're gonna use your first finger and your second finger. Now that's every finger paired with your first finger. So now let's do paired with your second finger. So we just did your first and second finger. So let's keep it easy and do your second finger and your fourth finger. And then your second and third finger together. And then we're gonna get crazy and you're gonna do the whole scale with your third and fourth finger. So just these 2. So you only need to spend a few minutes a day doing this in your practice. And if you do that for a little bit, you're gonna gain a lot greater control over your 4 fingers on your fretting hand. And here's the cool thing. You can use this as just a warm up in your practice because you have to think about it. It warms up your hand. Or you can also think of it as 2 birds with 1 stone, where you're learning the scale pattern and you're working on your finger independence with your different pairs of fingers. So really quick beginner finger workout that you can use using different pairs of fingers. And like I said, you can play this with any of the 2 note per string pentatonic box shapes. So any of those 5 pentatonic patterns, you can use this for that, and that will help you out a lot. So I hope that was helpful for you. If you enjoyed this little video on this beginner finger workout and you want some more cool stuff like this, I have a gift for you at my website. If you go to simpleguitar.com/top10, there you can download my guide called The Top 10 Things to Learn on Guitar First, which is 10 things I teach beginners all the time to get them playing guitar and having more fun right away, a lot faster on the guitar than playing stuff like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star and whatnot. So go to simpleguitar.com/top10, download that guide as my gift to you for watching the video on this quick beginner workout, and have an awesome day. Thanks for watching and for subscribing and liking the video and commenting and all that fun stuff. You are awesome. So have an awesome day, and I will catch you in the next video.